Today, IoT is shaping the way we live our lives. It has brought up all the elements, including devices, sensors, machines, network, to connect together and communicate with each other in real time. At VVDN, we help global OEMs, system integrators, deliver end-to-end innovative IoT solutions with strong expertise in hardware engineering, firmware and middleware, AI and analytics, wireless connectivity, cloud and applications, manufacturing. Today, we cater across a wide range of industries, including industrial IoT, e-mobility, hearables and wearables, power utility, smart medical, and many more. VVDN has been recognized as Product Challenger for IoT consulting and services in ISG Provider Lens Internet of Things Service and Solutions 2021 Quadrant Report US. Leading IoT service provider by industry leaders such as Zinnov Zones. And the most promising IoT solutions provider by CIO Review. With global presence, 10 plus R&D centers, 5 manufacturing facilities. Today, we are the preferred engineering and manufacturing partners to our customers as we offer wide range of product engineering services, best-in-class manufacturing services, flexible engagement models, top-notch deliveries. Create, innovate, produce. We make it happen. Come join hands to develop your next-gen IoT solution and embark your digital journey with VVDN. For more, visit us at www.vvdntech.com.